Are you surprised that when you eat banga outside, it tastes better and the aroma tastes better than the one you make at home? This is the trick. These are the blended spice they use for the banga outside. Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Mommy Ibechko. I want to introduce you to our spice of today. I'm going to tell you all about the spice while putting it into the blender for blending. All these spices are special condiments blended together to give you a fantastic flavor and aroma in your Ofe Akwu or banga soup, as some people call it. It is going to make the banga smell so good. The aroma, the taste, everything about your banga soup is going to stand out. If today is your first time of tuning into this channel, you're welcome. I am Mommy Ibechko. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on all so that I can get my notification each time I post a new video. Thank you so much. Let me introduce you to all our spice for today. So the first spice I'll be adding to the blender is the ehuru. The ehuru is called calabash nutmeg. I'll be adding otaiko. Some people call it orima. Then I'm adding njasa, efu. This is small but mighty. It's called ogoje. It smells super good. Control onions, also called bush onions. Uziza seed, negro pepper or black pepper as some people call it. And the last is ginger, dried ginger. If you want, you can add turmeric, but it's not necessary for this particular spice mix. It's not necessary for this banga spice. So this is what you need to make your banga soup or Ofe Akwu stand out anywhere you cook it. This spice smells super good. Like it's very strong, very potent and very nice. I'm going to add the cayenne and paprika to give it more color and add more flavor to the spice. I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of the paprika and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This I'll add to the almost blended banga spice. This will change the color a bit and it will help in elevating the flavor. So this is the trick to make your banga soup stand out. If you don't have paprika or cayenne, you can make use of this chili pepper I just showed you in this video. So our banga spice is ready. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to join the family. Thank you. And please share this video and leave a comment in the comment section if you try this banga spice. A trial will convince you, honestly. So let me show you how the banga spice look now that it's properly blended. So this is it. You need to perceive the aroma like coming out from this spice. It's so heavy, so strong, so potent, like the whole kitchen is filled with the spice, the smell, the fragrance, the aroma. Thank you so much for watching my video. We have come to the end of today's video. I'll be seeing you in my next video, okay? Bye.